Alright, so this is part 2 of this restoration on this house, toy store, toy shop. So in the last one I glued these on into the insides. Can't really see, but it's there. And today what I'm going to do is my original thought was to mix up some plaster and just lay it in there, let it ooze in, get in the cracks and all that. Now that's still an option, but I think today what I want to try first is some just regular old spackle. I'm going to try filling in all the voids that I have with this spackle. And I'm going to kind of mound it in certain areas. And I talked about it last time, especially around this window. Just so I'll be able to recreate it a little more. And I'm not exactly sure if the spackle is going to stick very well. And I'll only know that once it's dried. So I'm going to give this a whirl today, and after that, I'll know some more. So let's give this a try. I'm just going to use my fingers. I'm not even going to need that much. Just like you would with regular spackling, you want to I want to push it in there as much as I can. If I get too messy with it, it's just going to be more cleanup for me later. So I don't want to get too crazy. But like I said, having some mounded around the windows, it's not a bad idea. A little bit here, a little bit there. Let's try that. Yeah, I get better feel with my finger. I'll try these little cracks too. Pointed them out before, but like here, I don't know how well you can see them. How well you can see them on the camera, but it doesn't focus very well, does it? So yeah, there's a large cracks here from when the piece was originally broken and was glued on. So now even that little bit is too much. What's going on? That was weird. See, I have a feeling I'm going to be scraping a lot of this spackle off inside these like mortar joints on the brick. That's going to be a pain. On the windows. But this stuff dries pretty fast, so I should be able to keep working on this today. And we'll see how it goes. This is probably spots where I should be using some kind of tool. Before this dries. See, I don't know if this spackling is going to dry like in full. See, it forms pretty well. Problem is, I don't know how well it's going to do when I try taking off excess and just, you know, start cleaning it up. I know it's obviously sandable, but I'm trying to avoid too much extra work. See, right here I'm trying to lightly form in that window while still filling in this giant chunk of house that's missing. And sometimes you just gotta know when to say when. Gotta know when to say when. So I think I'm gonna stop right there. I'm gonna stop and do some little outside cleanup here. Give it an opportunity to dry. Then I'll put another video on it. So that's it for now. See ya.